gikoretwo kirekerero kia oro muthenya kuri muingi wa gicigo kia Oljororok kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua magikaya ni undu wa kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia uhaguku wa ugitiri na uria makiria ukoretwo kirongoreria njuragano iri na magigi. Muingi uyu ukoretwo githingata magaciritheria ugitiri na niho mateta mao makoretwo makimerekeria kuri maobitha nene thirikari-ini makorwo magikinya mwena uyu niguo makorwo makimane kihonia kia thina uyu. No indi makaya mao ni maiguitwo na kuria Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Ndagitari Fred Matiang'i hamwe na Inspector General wa borithi Hilary Mutyambai makorirwo magikinya mwena uyu na kugia na giikaro na atongoria a muingi. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro thutha wa mucemanio ucio na uria utafaneirio thukuru-ini wa moko wa Nyandarua, Minister Matiang'i augite ni magukorwo magitafanio mogaruruku matiganite thiini wa ruhonge rwa borithi mwena uyu na niguo gutigirira ugitiri ni wagaciro na makiria.
My brother the Inspector General Police and I have spent time with our county security team and our regional security team. We have made several changes and we have made several decisions here today. We are reviewing our deployment of security here to deal with some of the challenges we have. We do not have card rustling in Nyandarua. What we have here is a criminal syndicate that is involved in looting and stealing animals from dairy farmers around here.
Ihinda-ini riu Matiang'i ni acakaite ikuo ici na kuria ica ikuhe mutumia umwe hamwe na kana gake ga kairitu moragirwo na njira ya kiunyamu mwena uyu. Matiang'i akiuga ni marikitie gutuma thuthuria ciiko ta ici niguo gukurana ni amatafanirie giiko giki na oho agikinyiriria ndagwitikira ciiko ta ici guthie na mbere.
I want to take this opportunity to assure the residents of Nyandarua, especially the leaders who have made very passionate appeals to us, that we will do our best. The women leader from Nyandarua spoke to us so painfully about the cases that we have had here and so on. And I have assured her, and I want to assure you people, we are going to do our very best.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, nie na njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.